Today I will take the class conjunction, and those who are in the class, please open your grammar book, and I have given the YouTube class prepositions and adverb. Prepositions and adverb from your grammar book. I have written the composition also. Please write from your YouTube classes, and also at the same time, please now open at your book, page number 74. Page number 74, conjunction grammar book, English grammar. English grammar conjunction. Any problem, please tell that. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Anushri and anybody, please tell me if you are having any problem. Please tell me. Aniruddha? Okay. So, conjunction class. Conjunction is a parts of speech that we can join. That is, that from that word we are joining two ideas, to group, to words, and also sentences. So it is a joining words. It is a joining word. Joining words. It's a joining words. Then why? How it will join? Joining word, it join words, group of words and sentences. Okay? Group of words and sentences. So, two words like this and how I will tell you that how I will tell you that John is a fact, but here and I will tell Lucy and Mary. Lucy and Mary. Lucy and Mary are friends. I can tell here that anybody, that Anushka and Wendril are friends. So here anybody I can tell you that they are friends. Okay. So this type. So here I am just telling these mangoes are ripe and sweet. Two words and two sentences. The word and joins the two words ripe and sweet. Same type of words. And sweet, ripe and sweet. John is a fat and Nina is slim. John is a fat and Nina is slim. Here also and, but. Here two opposite ideas we are telling, but. Here same ideas, same words, same type of words. Same type of words. But opposite type of words. Opposite. Like this, fat or thin. Fat or thin. So two opposite words we are telling. And sometime and a word also that because, another word. So three words they have given to you. And, but, and because. And also another word they have given, or. So word means that same idea, but also options will be there. Okay, I am telling that if Aniruddha will do or Aniket will do. So optional. That is within the two, only one person can give. So another or we are using. Okay, so or we are using for that. If I am telling Aditi will do or Sana will do. If I am telling that or. So here or is telling that option. And because for the reason. Reason, I went there, I went to hospital Because I am sick. I was sick. I was sick. So, because are there. So, that's why we can tell you the three things. Okay. Obviously, for these words, you have 4 words you have learned. Please remember this. And 2 same ideas, same, but opposite, and or optional, and because for the reason. Please remember this. Please remember. Because for reason. Okay. So, please remember all these things. So, these are and, but, or, because are joining words. They join words and group of words, sentences. These joining words are called conjunctions. Okay? So, these joining words are called conjunction. So, page number 75, we can do that. Page number 75. Page number 75. Underline the conjunction of these sentences. Robi is fond of fruits and green vegetables. So, number 1 and number 2, page number 75, B. Number 2, Ramkumar is poor but honest. Please underline. Number 3, Ruchi is good dancer or a good singer. Or number 4, everybody loves Rahman because he is sincere. Number 5, Rekha is honest and hardworking. Number 6, keep quiet or go away. Number 7, he ran fast but missed the train. Number 8, she carried an umbrella because it was hot. Number 9, we will take a bus or taxi. Number 10, she was tired but she went on working. So here, first one and, second one but, third one or, fourth one because, fifth one and, sixth one or, seventh one but, eighth one because, ninth one or, 10th one but. Please underline this. Then exercise number C. Exercise number C, fill in the blanks with and, or, but, or because. Both Sham and John. Okay. Everybody else doing this. That is very nice. Again I will do. Okay. Both Sam and John. Number 2. She is smart, kind and intelligent. Number 2 and. Number 3. Tea is hot but ice cream is cold. Number 4. Is our new teacher old or she is young? Number 5. Mukesh is intelligent but careless. Number 6. We cannot eat these mangoes because they are sour. Number 7. Stop at the zebra crossings or you will be fined. Stop at the zebra crossing or you will be fined. Number 8, he is working hard because his examination begins tomorrow. So, number D, this is exercise number C, and, but, or, but, because, or, because. So, exercise number D, I can do this. Exercise number D, Onu has a pen. Onu has a pencil. Please join this. Onu has a pen and a pencil. Sun rises in the east, it sets in the west. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The house is small, house is good. House is small but good. The two sentences they have added here. I ran fast, I missed the bus. I ran fast but I missed the bus. Is your father a doctor? Is your father a teacher? Is your father a doctor or a teacher? Walk carefully, you might sleep. Walk carefully or you might sleep. I respect him. He is very noble. I respect him because he is very noble. So take the conjunction that can be used to join the sentence. We cannot go out. So number 1, E, page number 76. E1, because. Number 2, he is old and strong. He is old but strong. Number 3, we rang the bell. Nobody opened the door. We rang the bell. Oh, number 3, he is old, he is weak. He is old and weak. Number 4, we rang the bell, but nobody opened the door. Number 5, is this question easy or is it difficult? So number 5, or. Number 6, take this cup of tea quickly. It will get cold or it will get cold. Number 7, you should go to doctor because you have a fever. So number 7 also, because. So here, write on the board the following. I went to the market, I woke up. We cancel the match. Here, these are sentences to which easily possible and add clauses beginning with and because. So here, they had told I went to the market and brought some biscuits. We cancel the match. I went to the market but could not find a suitable dress. I went to the market because I needed some brushes. Here, second one, we cancel the match because it was raining. Another same sentences, whatever it is suitable for this one, you can add. I am just telling these things. We cancelled the match because it was raining. Nabia ate some sandwiches and eggs, boiled eggs, sandwiches and boiled eggs. Nabia ate some sandwiches because she is hungry. Whatever you can, no? Miss Rao did not take the class because she had fever or she was absent. Whatever you can. So next, I woke up. I woke up early because today I am having a match. And I woke up and brushed my teeth. Whatever you can. We missed the bus because I was late. My father scolded me. My father scolded me because I broke the bottle. My father scolded me, but he gave me a chocolate. The car applied brakes because it had some problem. Okay, so like this type of you can join sentences. If you are having any problem, please write to me. And I just told you that please you can see my YouTube video. 3 Pine also I could not take the class because of internet problem. Offline class I will give the conjunctions, so they can see that, and preposition and also adverb I have already given. And here also I have written the composition, that one of my favorite character. I think you have seen that also, composition. Again I am telling, if you are having any problem, please tell me. And but remember that conjunction, they are joining words. They are words, and these words are joining some words, group of words, sentences. But again you are having 4 words: and, or, because, and, but, and same ideas, but opposite ideas, or also some optionals, and because some reason. So please remember these things. So whenever you will join 2 sentences, remember these things and you can do very nicely. Okay beta, thank you. Have a nice day. If you are having any problem, please tell me.